guys, welcome back, and I want to add oil to the analysis for this week, and the reason being because of the ongoing war and Iran. A lot of speculation are coming up on oil, that oil price is going to go very high, but presently with what I'm seeing, I'm just being patient on oil. So I want us to go into it together. Let's dive into oil and let's see what oil has for us. I believe this is the first time in the month of June I'm analyzing oil, so I just want us to go into oil and let's see what we have for oil. So previously oil was what happened? Why? Okay, making a higher low. We're expecting a new higher high, but price failed to form a new high. Instead, price formed a lower high. Price formed lower low, lower high, lower low. All of a sudden, price tanked, take out this previous lower high to form a new higher high. So we were expecting a higher low. Price failed to move with this higher low, created a new lower high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Even this lower high gave us a significant morning star candle. This morning star candle is a retracement candle in the form of the trend, so I don't want to overemphasize this morning star. Just as we have this morning star and it got crushed, we can also see a crush sell setup for these buyers, but these buy setups didn't hold on top of this zone, which would have given me more reaction. Instead, it hold according to structure on against the buy setup, which just hold on the sell setup model. So I'm particularly looking for sell setups on oil, despite the news of high increments as speculated, and because the structure is showing me that there is a sell setup on oil, which which is what I'm looking out for. But in all, until oil gives me a reversal before I go in, because presently we are bullish from the monthly. The monthly is bearish. Weekly is, let's see, weekly is still bullish, because we broke out, and weekly is bullish. Weekly is bullish here. So we have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, equal low, lower high, higher low, higher high. So we are bullish also. But if you see, previous week closed against these guys here. This zone here, they didn't close out. The other week also created a doji kind of formation, signifying that a lot of sellers are in this zone. So that just says a lot. So let's go down to daily. Daily, now I've not properly seen a bearish candle from a daily standpoint of view. The only candle I'm seeing here is this candle here, which is this bearish candle here, but to me is not enough. One, I have seen an inverted hammer here. Where is my brush? This is an inverted hammer here. Inverted hammer on both sides, saying buyers are exhausted, sellers got the gain. And we have this candle that didn't close full body. Okay, so this scenario gives me some concern. But when looking at it, we have rejection, rejection, price couldn't break out, rejection, rejection, rejection. So this just tells me that sellers are in here, and despite the rumors of inflating price, I would love to see price close above here before I can start looking for sales. So let's go down to 4 hour. Let's see the structure that 4 hour also created. Okay, sorry for my markups. I quickly just did some back test, and this is what I got. So presently price was bearish, bearish, bearish. Price breakouts rejected. Now what do we have? We have double rejection here. First rejection, second rejection. There's a resistance here. Price broke out, came back to tap into that resistance. Came back to tap into that resistance here. A lot of liquidity sweep, a lot of buyers swept. When price came in there, that is when the push happened. It broke out and continued. The price come back for this zone here immediately. That's when price came back for that zone. You can see an immediate reaction after the break of after this break. First rejection, second rejection, and price pulled and pulled and pulled. So presently this is where we are, and price just show rejection. You can see this candle here, this shooting star rejection. We can see this again, rejection with evening star rejection. Price came back, still inside this zone. We have bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing. Price is back inside the monthly zone. So we have a lot of rejection in this zone. Now I'm not taking any sell yet, even if I'm seeing some setups that looks very juicy. I would have loved to take a sell at this area here. I would have loved to take a sell at this area, but I wasn't monitoring oil at the moment. So what am I looking forward to now? I'm looking forward to price giving me a signal here. Now this is break in, retest. I need a continuation. Now the continuation has to break all this resistance that we have, so that it could signify that price has changed its motive from a bullish structure to a bearish structure. So I'm waiting either for Monday, Tuesday to give me a structure here, or a candle confirmation here that I can just take out this low. Because presently, if this low gets taken, then we are in for it. But if the low remains positive, then meaning we are continuing on the buy side. So I'm interested in the low to be taken out to confirm what the monthly time frame is telling me, and to start the weekly rejection, daily rejection, and 4 hour rejection. So hopefully this week I'll patiently wait to see how Monday reacts. If Monday can give me a lower low, then I'd love to see a lower high to continue this sell. So if Monday sells taking out this low, probably come in here and close Monday, then probably I would love to see probably a rejection here, or price coming back here for continuation for more rejection. So hopefully that is what I'm looking forward to for Monday, guys, on oil. So monthly already told me I'm selling until price breaks out from this zone before I start looking for buy setups. But for now, I'm still seeing sell setups. So I'll just follow what the structure is telling me until I see a bullish structure. Then I might possibly start looking for buys, but presently I'm looking for sell setups. All right guys, enjoy your wonderful week. Bye for now.